Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see one more case study based questions, class 10 cbse as per the new pattern 2021. Friends, this is the part 15 and previously we have uploaded 14 parts, and the links of all these 14 parts are provided in the description box in the PDF format. You can download it and watch all the 14 parts so that you will get an idea that which type of questions will be asked in the case study based questions and how to deal with such questions. Now friends, let us move to the question. Here is the question on the screen. Due to COVID-19 crisis, Surabhi Medical Store has started stocking up and sell masks of decent quality as sourced from the disposable medical device manufacturer. The owner of Surabhi Medical Store is selling two types of masks, mask A and mask B. The cost of type A mask is rupees 10 and the type of B mask is rupees 12. In the month of April 2020, the store sold 100 masks for total sale of rupees 1082. Due to great demand and short supply, the store has increased the price of each type of mask by rupees 1 from the May 1, 2020. In the month of the May 2020, the store sold 250 masks for the total sale of rupees 2920. And with the help of this data, solve the following questions. So let us see the first question which is on the screen. How many masks of each type were sold in the month of April? How many masks of each type were sold in the month of April? In the month of April, it is said that the 100 masks were sold and the cost of A type is rupees 10 and the cost of B type is rupees 12. So first we will assume that let A type mask be X and the B type mask be Y, and the cost of A type mask is rupees 10 and the cost of B type mask is rupees 12. How many are sold? 100 masks were sold. So the equation will be X plus Y. A type masks are X and B type masks are Y. So the total of this will be equal to 100. And the cost of A type mask is 10 rupees. And therefore the cost of X mask will be 10X and the cost of Y mask will be 12Y because each mask is costing rupees 12. So the total amount is what? It is 1082. So the equation will be 10X plus 12Y, which is equal to 1082. And now solve these two pair of linear equations simultaneously. So what we will do, we will multiply this equation by 10 so that this will become 10x, this will become 10y and this will become 1000, and then if we subtract this we will get it as 10x will get cancelled, 10y minus 12y, that will be minus 2y, which is equal to minus 82. And so 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 ones are 2. So 41, y is equal to 41. So here you have got y is equal to 41. It means that B type of masks were sold. That number was 41. See here for the 41. So in option D, there is 41 masks of type B were sold. And in no option there is this number, that 41 masks. So this is not correct, this is not correct, and this is also not correct. and there is no need to find here in this case that A type of mask how many sold, means you need not to find the value of X, because here there is only one statement saying that 41 masks of type B. So here the D option is the correct option, 59 masks of type A and 41 masks of type B. Now let us move to the second question. This is another question, simple one. If the store had sold 50 masks of each type, means type A they have sold 50 masks and type B they have sold 50 masks, then what would be its sale in the month of April? In the month of April, the cost of each type of A mask was 10 and the type of B mask it cost was 12, and therefore the total cost will be 50 into 100, that 50 into 10, that will be 500, plus 50 into 12, that will be 12 5s are 60, so it will be 600, and so the total will be 1100, and therefore the correct option should be, here the D option is not written, D option is rupees 1100, and therefore the correct option is rupees 1100, because the 50 masks and each of mask is sold at the rate of 10, so the total cost will be 50 into 10, that will be 500, and the B type mask its cost is 12 rupees per mask and the total mask sold was 50, so the total sale will be of rupees 50 into 12, that is 600 rupees. So the total sale in the month of April was 1100 rupees. Now move to the next question. Now the next question is that how many masks of each type were sold in the month of May? Just we have solved the first question the same way you have to solve it. In the month of May there are two conditions, April and May. In the month of May, how many masks were sold? 250 masks were sold, and the cost was increased by rupees 1 of each type of mask. And so here, if the A type of mask be X and B type of mask be Y, and the cost of A type of mask will be rupees 11, because previously it was rupees 10 and now the rate was increased by rupees 1, so it will become 11, and the cost of B type of mask will be 13, because previously it was 12 and now it will be 13, and the total masks were sold 250. So X plus Y, that is equal to 250. A type of mask plus B type of mask, the total masks are 250. So the cost of A type of mask will be 11 into X, that will be 11X, plus the total cost of B type of mask will be 13 into Y, that will be 13Y, and the total cost is given as 2920, so which is equal to 2920. Now here we will solve these two equations simultaneously. Here we will multiply by 11, so multiply this equation by 11, so this will become 11x, this will become 11y, and 25 into 11, that will be equal to 2750. And then subtract these two equations, minus, minus and minus. So this will be cancelled out. So 11y minus 13y, that will be minus 2y, and which is equal to 2750 minus 2920, that will be equal to minus 170, and therefore y is equal to 85. It means the B type of masks were sold and that number was 85. Here again in the D option, B type of masks are 85. There is no need to find the type of mask A, how many masks were sold, because there is no other option containing 85 masks of type B. So the D option will be the correct option, that 165 masks of type A and 85 masks of type B. Now move to the next question. If the store had sold 125 masks of each type, what would be its sale in the month of May? It is said that the store sold 125 masks of each type, means X type mask, A type of mask they have sold 125, and B type of mask they have sold 125, and the cost of A type of mask is what it is 11, and the cost of B type of mask is rupees 13, and therefore the total cost will be 125 into 11 plus 125 into 13. So it is 125 into 11 plus 125 into 13, and so here 125 will be the common factor. Inside the bracket it will be 11 plus 13. This way you can solve, and if you solve this you get it as rupees 3000, and therefore the correct option is the A option, rupees 3000. Now move to the next question. Here is the next question. What percent of mask of each type sale was increased in the month of May compared with the sale of the month of April? It is 2%, 200% in type A, 100% in type B, or 180% in type A and 110% in type B, and C option is 150% in type A and 120% in type B, and D option is 110% in type A and 180% in type B. Friends, you have to solve this question and write your answer in the comment box. What will be your answer? Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.